Don't knock it out of my hand, fucker. Yeah, don't touch my hand, bro. Don't waste it, bro. Eat it nicely. You're fucking wasting it, bro. Here we go. Yeah, here we go. You like that? Yeah, I don't trust these, mate. I don't trust these. They're fucking... Yeah, fuck off, bro. Bite my hand, man. That's a bit fucking rude. I can look at his eyes, bro. Fucking huge. I don't trust these. Yeah, mate. I'm watching you, bro. Yeah? We'll see you next week, eh? I'll come and see you next week. Yeah?
Maybe fill the whole container up.
Doubt it, bro. I leave my fingers alone looking at my ring, eh? Yeah, they got no teeth, eh, mate? They'll fucking rip your hands to bits, eh? You get me in it, boy? In fact, that was all over in 2 minutes, mate. Yeah? There you go, mate. Oh, you like that? You got a bit of a treat? You bite? Oh, yeah, you bite, eh?
You some real grasses,
Oh, that's big chook shit in there. Where you going? What we see? Taumarunui. Big birds. I'd love one of these ones, but I haven't got the room. Otherwise I'd definitely have one. The size of the feet on this fella. He's coming over, he wants to know me. Hey bud. Hello? Yeah, don't you reach over here, mate. Hey? Yeah. You're a big fella, aren't you? Size of those drumsticks. Those toes, man. That's huge. I'm sure we used to feed them out of our hand. No, I don't like them. The size of his feather.
Bring some
Feather.
warm today, but